Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see there is many color combination, different types of car here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, all of these toys hand drive and introduced with you wasting any more time. Let's go. At first is momentum to car, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this momentum to car. This one is pink and yellow color combination. And next one is a police car here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this police car. This one is black and white color combination. This one is a cartoony car, so I will try this one. I parked here this cartoony car. This one is green, black and white color combination. Wow friends, see, this one is a BMW car, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this BMW car. This one is blue, black and yellow color combination. And next one is a RAV3 car here, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this RAV3 car. This one is red and black color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive this ambulance, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this ambulance. This one is pink, white and paste color combination. That is the last one, is a big size runner car here, so I will try this one also. So friends, I parked here this runner car. This one is a black, white and red color combination. So friends, all of this car hand drive and introduced with you. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.